No paperwork, no stress. You add your clients, add your items, set your price, and watch your totals updates instantly. With CrestInvoice, you can track your overdues with ease, see clients' behavior. Watch this demo. Let me show you how CrestInvoice works. Let's go. Hi there. Now this is the CrestInvoice login page. When you log in, it will prompt you to sign up. For me, I've already signed up, so I'll just log in with my credentials. When you log in, this is what you get. My credentials are already input into the system, so when I just click, it automatically loads. Now this is the interface you get immediately you log into the system. So when you log in, we have the dashboard. It is as simple and sleek as it is. So you can add an invoice. You have the invoices. You have the expense. I've also created an expense somewhere. You'll be able to add expenses you've used within a specific period. With here, you'll also be able to get your net profit for the month. Okay, now we have customers. This will also show you the customer's behavior. So let's start with the settings. Under settings option, for a company, after you've registered, you register with the company name. Like for me, it's Creative Crest. They enter the company information, the company VAT, if it's available. You have the pay bill number. These are the payment terms or the bank account terms. So you remember this when having an invoice. They will always show the bank details and all that. Then under the templates, we have options to upload a logo. You can either choose to upload your logo here or whatever logo you'd love to use. So for now, I'll not use those ones. I use the CrestInvoice. Then you can change the theme color of the invoice. So you can have it as blue. You can have it as light blue. You can have it as gray, any color. So let's go with blue for now. Then you save your settings. Once you've saved your settings, you have to confirm that it's saved. Here it has not saved. It has indicated it's now saved. So when it's fully saved, we go back. This is the dashboard. This shows you the invoice you've done today, the invoice you've collected. So you can invoice and not receive payment. So if you invoice and not receive payment, it will definitely go here. At the end of the day, for the month, for the start of this month, we've only invoiced one client who was paid in full. So this also shows an overdue client, those who you invoiced, but they didn't pay. So you'll be able to see them here. When you load this, it automatically loads. You're able to see what client has what amount. So here we have Steve with that phone number. We invoiced him a shirt of 500 shillings. He's supposed to pay 580. He didn't pay. So we go back. So this is it. Now let's create an invoice. We've changed everything. We've written everything. The invoice number is automatic. So it generally automates after 22. It will automatically go to 23. So we have the invoicing date. We have the due date. So you can invoice today and expect the payment today. So this now you can change, but for now let's use the way it is. So let's say the class name is called Adriel. Adriel is my son, so let him be our first client. So Adriel will use my phone number because he's my friend. Then his address is in Kisumu. So let's say Adriel needed some design. Adriel needed, let's say, web design. So the price we charged, let's say, from 15,000. He only needed one. So when you look here, you realize that the total amount plus, let's say if it's VAT or whatever tax obligation that we have. I have an option for the tax obligation. You can either have the withholding, nil, VAT, and all that. So you're here. So here you can add the signature. So here you can sign. So you can sign like this. Once you sign, the sign comes here automatically. You can as well decide to remove the sign. So when you save this invoice, it automatically creates an invoice. This is how it looks like. And this is now the invoice. So when you check here, it comes with the signature, it comes with the terms, it comes with the payment information, and then it comes with the due date and all that. It comes with the company, the sending company information. Then you can as well decide to download the invoice. When you download the invoice, this is what you see, and this is what you can send to your client. You can as well print it and share it. So let's go back. So once we've done that, we realize that you've just invoiced this client and they have not paid. So when you check, you realize the only paid invoice is this. So you go back to the invoices, you check the invoice you made today for Adriel is unpaid. So Adriel, how much is Adriel willing to pay? The maximum amount of invoice paid is 17,400. So Adriel will pay 17,400. How is he paying? He's paying through M-Pesa. Then you record this payment. Once the payment is done, it automatically updates to paid. Nice. So that is it. So when you come to customers, you'll be able to see the type of customers you have. You realize you have Adriel here. Adriel has got a good standing. You are able to see that he pays his invoices well. We gave him what services were we offering him? We're offering him our design service. Then we have Adrian. Adrian has got 2 overdue. So the possibility of not doing business with him for that period, it's notable. Then we come here, we realize that Andreas Steven he also bought another glasses. This Andreas Steven, he also has good standing. BT was given an invoice. The bill was 5,000. He paid for 500. He has an outstanding balance of 500. So it's not very good client. So from here, you can be able to check what type of clients are you dealing with. So automatically this will grade these clients according to their contacts and everything. So we have the expense tab. With expense here, let's say we've used, for today, we've used bundles for 1,000 shillings. We say internet. The category is under, let's say that's under utilities. We've been paid through M-Pesa. We're supplying us, let's say Safaricom. For the period, the reference number. This will ensure that all the expenses are catered for. So here we can just write approved to confirm that it's okay. Then we can attach a receipt. Let's say this is our receipt. Once you attach that receipt, it comes there. So you save and proceed. Once this is done, you'll be able to see. So for this month, you'll be able to check our expenses for this month is this, our net profit is that. So you'll be able to see our expense for this month is internet, and we'll be able to see if you want to download the receipt, you can download it. So that is it. So this dashboard is highly interactive. You can be able to see the performance of payments in the month of March. This is what happened in April. This is it. So generally, you can see that we are able to check our general performance. So this income that you saw here is the cumulative income since the start of the year. So it's a very highly interactive system. For those who are not able to see well, you can change it, toggle it into a dark mode, where you can be able to see the invoice dashboard. So that is it. I welcome any question, any idea. In the meantime, if you're interested in this, I can create a way that you can use it, maybe to invoice your clients as we proceed in making it better. Thank you, and have a nice time.